Today we talk about how can you disable reports notifications on your app. We will to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so it's going to show for you like this. Just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on profile. When you just click on profile, it's going to take you to your profile here. Then you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you this like this. Click here on settings here. Then you come to this list. Then all you have to do, just go down here. Then you click here on notifications filter. Then you come to next step here, just go down, come here to reports, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's my reports notifications disable with us now. Then you just go above save, click on it, and it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.